Marshall introduces the CV630 PTZ camera, 30 times optical zoom powerhouse with 4K UHD resolution, advanced NDI HX2 technology, and multiple outputs, which is perfect for diverse professional, AV, and broadcast applications. Here's David Micas from IT Systems Strauss HMBH on the production of Marshall cameras. All right, looks like we're having some technical difficulties, so I'll throw it over to Mary. I know you had some questions about it for Philip.
Well, I do. We're seeing a lot of different companies get into these PTZ cameras. What do you think makes this different? Anything that you're seeing that's unique?
So I don't know if I'd say there's anything unique in this one. The fact that they've included NDI, which seems to be pretty standard. It's got HDMI, it's got SDI. I think we're seeing more and more of this because we're seeing remote productions become something practical, for lack of a better term, where in the past to do a remote production was very difficult. We were now able to get the signals back. Now that we're able to get the signals back, maybe we don't need all the camera people. And I also think we're seeing more complexity, people trying to step up the game in terms of what they're trying to produce, which requires more cameras, which would require more camera operators, and that tends to become expensive. So it's just, I think this is another player in the market. It's good to see more players in the market. You have more opportunities and options to choose from, and hopefully it'll push other manufacturers to do sort of similar, doing it the UHD and adding the NDI. I'd like to see, JPEG XS or, 2110 included, but, those will come eventually.
But that NDI is just, I'm a big fan of that.
Yeah, it just simplifies it and makes it pretty much accessible to anybody without the requirement of a very, very expensive set of networking infrastructure.